to have a demonstration of read function in a file. So in Python, when we want to perform read operation from file, we have three functions: read, readline, and readlines. So this is a demonstration of read function, how it is going to work in a file. So in the first line of this program, just we have taken one my file. This my file is a file object which is linked to the file python.txt, and we have opened this file in a read mode so that we can perform the read operation in a file. In the next line of a program, just we have called the read function with the help of my file, that is a file object, and passing 10 as an argument in a read function. This read function can take any argument or cannot take. When we are not going to pass any argument in a read function, then it will read the whole content of a file till end of line, end of file character will reach. And when we will pass some value in it, then it is going to read specified characters only, means a specified number of bytes only from a file. So as we have passed here 10 as an argument of read, so it will read only 10 byte or 10 character from a python.txt, because this my file object is linked to the python.txt file here. So this read function will read the 10 byte or 10 character from a file and return the value into a str1. This is a string here. So read function read the byte and return a string. So in the next line of a program, just we are going to print the str1, which is a string and which has stored the 10 byte from a file my python.txt. Now in the next line, again we have called read function and passed 20 as an argument. So it will read further 20 character of a file and it will store it into a str2. So in next line, when we will print the str2, it will display the next 20 character of a file, and at last just we have closed the file. So when we will run this program, it will show first 10 character of a file which is specified in the first line of read, as we have mentioned, just to take 10 characters. So here it is going to display 10 character of a file. Now again we have called the read function and we have asked for the 20 character. So it will display the next 20 character or 20 byte of a file. So it is taking the input from the python.txt. So python.txt has a first 10 line as a this is my. This is the 10 word. So it is displaying here this is my. And when we are calling the read function again with the value 20, so it will take the next 20 character from the file and produce here as a output. So read function take the specified character, whatever number we have passed in the argument as a argument in a read function, and when we will not pass any argument in a read function, then it will read the whole file till end of file will reach. So it's clear to you how read function is going to work in a file. Thank you.